Setting up Custodian CMMS is really easy, and it's free. It's what we call Custodian Lite. You can use this free light version of Custodian for as long as you like. It's not a trial. Then, if you need to set up more than 3 users, or you need to manage the maintenance for more than 15 assets, you can upgrade to Custodian Pro anytime, but we'll cover that later. So, in your favorite browser, go to app.custodiancmms.com. Click the register button. To register, start by entering your company name and your company's main telephone number. Select your industry from the drop-down list and your preferred currency. As an option, you can also add your company's logo. Next, enter your company's mailing address, followed by city, province or state, postal code or zip code, and select your country. Finally, you'll need to create the admin user. This is your company's main user with access to all your custodian settings. Enter their email address with a strong password. Confirm the password and remember it because you'll need it later to log in. Enter their full name, the admin user's telephone number, which is probably different from your company's main telephone number, and a mobile phone number too. This will be used for SMS text notifications, alerts, and reminders. And that's it. Click Finish. This will take you back to the login screen, so you can start using Custodian right away.